Hey everyone, Kyle here with Unist. This week we're on site down in Birmingham, Alabama at Manufacturing Technologies. Manufacturing Technologies is our local dealer in the South. He's got a great training center equipped with a full press line. So let's head back there and we'll get to meet the crew right now.
Hey, what's going on?
All right.
How you doing? Welcome. Good to have you.
Everyone, this is Steve Bain, the owner of Manufacturing Technology. He's a Unist dealer for us and he offers the whole breadth of metal forming equipment. Manufacturing Technology has been kind enough to have us down here. They have a fully functioning press line, so we're down here shooting some video, technical how-tos, just a lot of different content that's going to be coming out for our metal forming systems soon, so keep an eye for that. But Steve, we appreciate having us down here. Obviously I just said you have a whole functioning press line here. Can you give me a rundown on your setup here, and then also the Manufacturing Technology Training Center and kind of what you use that for?
Sure, thanks. A couple years ago we started this. There was a shortage in operators. We wanted to train our staff, have people that were informed and aware of the products that we have. But we started with the staff, and we have a 110-ton gap frame stamp tech press. It's actually link motion gap frame press. 12-inch feed line, complete coil setup from CWP. Link Systems gave us the guarding and upgraded our press controls with the latest and greatest in DiePro automation, all different kinds of things. But really having partners like Unist and these folks, we really couldn't do it. But back a couple of years ago, we wanted to train our associates, have them out on the street, helping out our customers, bringing them the latest and greatest and understanding what they're selling, not just reading a piece of literature or something like that to you guys. So we started this, and then we branched it off to start helping out operators, maintenance personnel, tool and die specialists, and we actually do a custom type of training too, where we could come out and we could look at some of your facilities and help you out with different needs. But yeah, so that's it. And, we thought of it a couple of years ago, and then just kind of put it together, and this is it.
Awesome.
So, yeah, love having you guys here.
Yeah, that's super helpful, not only for us, but obviously for your customers. So thanks to the Manufacturing Technology team for having us down here. And everyone just keep an eye out for the how-tos and the helpful content we have coming in the future.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks.